Hello everyone, welcome to the Designer Square by O Homes. I am Asmi Vijayavargiya and in our hotel interior series, let's now move from Vienna to Venice and talk about the Gritti Palace of Italy. We will be covering everything from its aesthetics to interiors and its key features inside of it. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's get started. Let us start by first and foremost digging into the history of Gritti Palace. It was originally built in 1475 for the noble Pisani family, and then it was later passed on to the Duke of Venice, Andrea Gritti, which is why it got its name, the Gritti Palace. It showcases the Venetian culture, and in the 20th century, it was later remodeled into a luxury hotel for people and also for the need of modern travelers. Many restoration efforts have been put into it, so it preserves the history while also provides a hotel-like comfort inside of it. The walls of this palace whisper stories of its artistic revolutions and also of the Renaissance politics, and the rich history informs the entire design narrative of the hotel. Over the years, the Gritti Palace has attracted royalty, artistic people like writers, artists, and also a lot of travelers which look for its old world charm while also adapting to its modern traveler. And also, its architecture style embodies this Venetian Gothic culture with strong Renaissance influences. Its facade, along with the Grand Canal, features arched windows, stone balconies, and also intricate carvings inside of it. The building's bones have been preserved while interiors evolved to reflect its timeless luxury. There have been Baroque details, Rococo curves, and also this Renaissance grandeur, which exist all together into this system of perfect harmony. There are symmetrical layouts, there are grand halls and high ceilings which are wooden beams, because it's not just a building but it is a beautifully preserved piece of living history in itself. Now when you first step into the Gritti Palace, what would you see in its lobby? So when you step into a lobby, it is like entering a Venetian painting. The entrance, it is adorned with marble floors, gilded mirrors, rich wood paneling, and it immediately sets the tone for this elegance and legacy feeling inside of it. The check-in desk, it's minimalistic, but it allows the grandeur of the surrounding places. There are wall tapestries, classic artwork which provide this visual interest and also historical depth. It captures the essence of refined Italian hospitality, and it lets the grandeur shine into the eyes of the visitors. There are fresh flowers there, classical music to provide with the sensory experience, and the entrance is clearly designed to impress. Now let's talk about the color palette and mood set in the Gritti Palace. The color palette is, and each color is chosen very carefully, which represent each form of it. Like in the Renaissance history, red is the color of warmth and power and opulence, and because of this, the result is a space which feels both timeless and yet dramatic. The hotel uses a rich royal palette which evokes this classic Venetian style. Colors like deep burgundy, gold, emerald, and navy, they dominate the interiors, which are complemented by cream and ivory materials to give this contrast to it. These colors, they create a moody opulence of this sophisticated and romantic charm inside of it, and have this quiet opulence and yet old money elegant vibes to it. For example, the colors are chosen very carefully, like red and gold, which signify power and wealth in Renaissance art. There are upholstered walls, there are plush curtains, and there are ornate rugs. which deepen the ambience altogether. Before moving on to key aspects of decor, let's talk about the most important part about a hotel, which is the rooms. And especially when we're talking about luxury hotels like this, let's talk about the suite of this. Each suite at the Gritty Palace is designed to offer a private slice of Venetian grandeur, which is destined to make you feel like Venetian royalty altogether. There are ornate headboards, there are plush canopies and luxurious beddings. There are velvet drapes which frame large windows and have canal or courtyard views to it. The rooms balance richness with intimacy through warm lighting and also layered textures. Every design element, from the carpeting to the curtain, it feels curated because it is. The bathroom feature Italian marble, gilded mirrors and vintage inspired fixtures because these suites offer not just comfort but a piece of luxury altogether. Now let's get deeper into how the washrooms are designed because everything is designed very carefully. These are thoughtfully designed just as the bedrooms are. Like the Italian marble is used extensively on floors, on countertops and even walls, which creates a cool and polished look. There are fixtures which are modern functionality. There are like gold and brass finishes. There are vintage inspired faucets and deep soaking tubs. Even the smallest details like soap dishes, towels and toiletries, they feel luxurious. Space is maximized for comfort with subtle design cues borrowed from private plazas. The blend of form and function here is seamless. And these bathrooms elevate daily rituals into luxury experiences. The Gritty Palace is designed really carefully. Even its windows which are overlooking the views. The Gritty Palace has a beautiful view of canals and also courtyards, and there are large arched windows which flood the room with natural light and often offer this picture perfect sense of wanderers gliding by. The windows frame themselves as architectural marvels in itself, and the framing of these windows is as intentional as any painting. In a sense, Venice becomes part of the room's design, which is really cool. The French doors in some suites open onto private balconies and they offer such visual perk and they're central to the experience of the room in themselves. They remind you of your place in a living, breathing, historic city. Heavy drapery can be drawn back to reveal the city in all its grandeur, and the contrast between the rich interior and the airy sunlight view, it creates a cinematic effect. Now let's talk about some features of the Gritty Palace which are unique to its own, like the Murano glass features. It is one of the hotel's most iconic design elements, which is its Murano glass decor. From chandeliers to scones, mirrors, these Murano glasswork, it adds elegance to the whole hotel. The soft glow from these lights reflects off gilded frames and polished wood, which enhances the ambience of the hotel. There are mirrors framed in Murano glass which add depth and visual flair to the rooms. Their delicate beauty contrasts with the heavier antique furniture which creates balance, and the Murano pieces act as a functional art which elevate the overall design narratives. These Murano glass features came from the island of Murano and they are known globally for their glass craftsmanship. And each chandelier is unique to its own and has baroque curves with modern elegance. These details showcase the luxury of craftsmanship and not just materials. Just like the Murano glass artwork, was just a signature of Venetian identity and pride. The Gritti Palace proudly showcases antique furnishing, which tells the Italian stories through antique furnishings and artworks. Many furnishings they are paired with plush fabrics like damask and velvet, and the blend of this comfort and history which makes the design both livable and also luxurious. They tell the stories of Italian nobility because the furniture is curated to match each room's historical era, especially the Renaissance and Baroque periods. Rich woods like walnut and cherry dominate, which are often polished to a deep gleam. There are intricate carvings and gold leaf accents which lend a regal charm to it. The use of real antiques over replicas emphasize the hotel's commitment to its authenticity altogether, and each piece feels like it belongs in a Venetian palace because it once did. The Gritti Palace is totally an art lover's dream, which is adorned with period paintings, carefully selected contemporary pieces. There are portraits of Venetian doges and noble families which line the walls, often in gilded frames. Frescoes and ceiling murals which add drama and elegance to communal areas, and many pieces were restored during the hotel's renovation, which preserves the original brushwork. The hotel also collaborates with local galleries to display curated modern art that complements its historic core. This dialogue between past and present is a hallmark of its design. Art is integrated seamlessly, which is never overpowering and always enhancing. Even in the private rooms, thoughtful art choices elevate its aesthetic, and the collection makes the entire hotel feel like a private Venetian gallery. Now, after all this, let's know what are the design inspiration key takeaways from the Gritti Palace. It offers endless inspiration for designers and enthusiasts. There are so many things to consider, like the lighting is not just for function but for atmosphere, and look for furniture with character like real wood and craftsmanship and details that spark conversation. Even without a grand canal view, you can create spaces that feel rich in narrative, because the Gritti Palace is a reminder that great design is timeless and elegance it lies in the details. The blending of antique elements which make it so functional, and also it has a modern luxury, and it just has a very beautiful balance to it, and you can apply these lessons to your home to create your own mini version of the Gritti Palace. So if you enjoy this video, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.